Hello, I thought your design looked really good. The font choices are fantastic. It gets slightly hard to read as the size gets smaller. That's not really what I'm commenting on. What I'm commenting on is that I suggest you use the text wrap around the apple parts. If you start reading about graphic design, one thing designers try to avoid is text running into images because it interrupts the natural flow of the reading process. So put a text wrap all around these apples, and then you'll get a nice, like, couple centimeters wide border around the apple so that it has a good flow. So if that happens, you might have some words coming over into places you don't want. Just go ahead and make the page taller. Really, don't try to figure out that puzzle right now. Otherwise, I think your apple looks really great. Consider putting a harder vein line, a darker line in the apple so that the leaf looks a little more realistic since you're going for that. So it's like just make another layer and go on top of it, and create the veins. And if you think the line looks a little too harsh, then select filter Gaussian blur and blur it out slightly. All right. Oh, zooming in close, the stem should be inside of this sort of cavern. So click on that and the leaf, cut, and arrange it so that it looks like it's inside. Let me know if you have any questions.